Update po sa Venezuela na naman po tayo. Sa update po tayo. Ang US citizen urged to leave the Venezuela and the US government. Nandito po ang report mula dyan sa USA. Ito po ang report natin. Ito po. Pakinggan po natin.
All a live look at the White House. We're getting some breaking news in that the US government is issuing a new security alert urging Americans in Venezuela to leave the country immediately, citing security concerns and the U.S. government's inability to provide emergency assistance, according to the U.S. Embassy in Caracas. Getting some of this news in from Fox and from the TravelGov site, they say this: the security situation in Venezuela remains fluid as international flights have resumed. U.S. citizens in Venezuela should leave the country immediately. Before departure, U.S. citizens should take precautions and be aware of their surroundings. There are reports of groups of armed militias known as colectivos setting up roadblocks and searching vehicles for evidence of U.S. citizenship or support for the United States. Remain vigilant and exercise caution when traveling by road. Monitor airlines' communications and websites for updated information. Venezuela has the highest travel advisory, level 4, do not travel, due to severe risks to Americans, including wrongful detention, torture in detention, terrorism, kidnapping, arbitrary enforcement of local laws, crime, civil unrest, and poor health infrastructure. Enroll in the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, also called STEP, at the link that they provided there. Again, that's at the TravelGov X account, at TravelGov, if you want to click on that link, if you know anybody who may need to hear that news. Of course, all of this coming in light of the U.S.'s strikes on Venezuela, which, as we speak, happened just over 1 week ago. So much has happened since then, it hardly feels like it was a week ago. But of course, these are the images of the U.S.'s operation, that overnight operation that led to the ousting of Nicolas Maduro. Ever since, the interim government of Delcy Rodriguez has been in charge, and we have a lot of questions about how cooperative that government will be with U.S. officials as the weeks move forward. Again.
Okay. Yan po ang mga balita doon sa Venezuela. Ang mga Amerikano daw po ay pinapaalis na ng urgent. Yun po ang mga balita, mga Venezuelan na nakatira sa mga Amerikano na nakatira sa Venezuela ay pinapaalis na ng embassy ng US Embassy. At lahat na magpupunta sa Venezuela ay binabalaan na hindi muna pumunta kasi mayroon mga terrorism doon, okay? Lahat hindi muna pinapapunta yung mga may pupunta sa Venezuela, okay? Sa Caracas po ay ang US Embassy ay pinapauwi na po ang US citizen urgent. Yun ang mga dahilan. Ang mga dahilan ay narinig nyo na kanina sa Amerikano, ha? Yan po mga balita mula dito sa Oman. Ito po si AJ. Nagbibigay ng report ng latest mula doon sa Caracas, Venezuela. Mga pangyayari at breaking news doon at ihatid ko araw-araw. Dito lang po lamang sa Newscast. Ito po si AJ Mano ng Oman nagbibigay ng report. Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow. Yan po ang kaganapan sa oras na ito.